I have come after the break with the new form 10. Substitution. First, I am writing a table that will help you to choose the proper substitution. Expression, substitution. First expression is x square plus x square. Substitution is x equals to 8 tan theta. This is most preferable. You can also take x equals to 8 cot theta. Number 2. A square minus x square. You can take x equals to a sin theta or x equals to a cos theta. Number 3. X square minus a square. Your preferable substitution is x equals to a sec theta, or you can take x equals to a cosec theta. Next, if you have root over of a minus x by a plus x, or just the reciprocal root over of a plus x by a minus x, then your substitution will be a cos 2 theta. Now let me clarify why I have chosen all these substitutions. Look, here it is s square plus x square. If you substitute x equals to a tan theta, this becomes s square tan square theta. If you take s square common within bracket, you get 1 plus tan square theta, that is s square sec square theta. So this will be doable. Then if it is s square minus x square, then these two substitution this becomes s square. Suppose you take the first substitution x equals to a sin theta, then it becomes s square minus s square sin square theta. After taking common s square, you get s square into 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Similarly, in this case, this becomes s square sec square theta minus s square. If you take s square common, sec square minus 1 is tan square theta. Okay. And in these two cases, 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is 2 sin square theta by 2 cos square theta, that tan square theta. Similarly, this is cot square theta under root. This will be simplified. So these are the reasons for choosing this type of substitution. Next, let us do some problems of this type. Number 1. Integration dx by a square minus x square to the power 3 by 2. So we will take, let x equals to a sin theta. This becomes dx equals to a cos theta d theta. A cos theta d theta. Here it becomes a square minus a square sin square theta. So take a square common, you get 1 minus sin square theta whole to the power 3 by 2. Now it becomes a cos theta d theta by a square to the power 3 by 2, that is a cube. 1 minus sin square is cos square to the power 3 by 2 means cos cube theta. So this becomes 1 by a square sec square theta d theta. So 1 by a square tan theta plus c, because integration of sec square theta is tan theta. Now you have to go back to x. How how we can do this? Just follow here. 1 by a square tan theta, but you know sin theta. Now I am writing in this way. Tan theta can be written as sin theta by root over of 1 minus sin square theta plus c. Now just substitute x by a instead of sin theta. You get 1 by a square, here it is x by a under root 1 minus x square by a square plus c. Now multiply both n and d by a. You get 1 by a square in the numerator x, in the denominator a square minus x square plus. This will be your answer. 1 by a square x by root over of a square minus x square plus c. Okay. Let us move to the next question. Integration x square dx by root over of 1 minus x square. So let us take, let x equals to sin theta. So dx will be your cos theta d theta. Now this becomes sin square theta, dx is cos theta d theta, and root over of 1 minus sin square theta is again cos theta. So this finally gives you sin square theta d theta. Now we have to put this in the multiple angle form. So we have to make here a 2. For this reason I have to keep here half. Now it becomes half. Instead of 2 sin square theta, you can write 1 minus cos 2 theta d theta. Now this becomes 1 is theta, then this is half sin 2 theta plus c. Then you have to go back to x. Look, I can write in this way: theta minus half into 2 sin theta cos theta plus c. Then equals to half theta minus half into 2 cancel, sin theta into under root 1 minus sin square theta plus c. Half theta is sin inverse x minus sin theta is x root over of 1 minus x square plus c. This will be your answer. Half sin inverse x minus x equal to 4. Next question. Form 3. Form 3 question number 3. Integration in the numerator, this is x square minus 3x plus 1 divided by under root 1 minus x square, that is dx. So let x equals to sin theta. That implies dx equals to cos theta d theta. And this becomes sin square theta minus 3 sin theta plus 1 divided by this becomes cos theta, and this becomes cos theta d theta. Cos theta cancel. Then instead of sin square theta, I can write half into 1 minus cos 2 theta, cos 2 theta. Then minus 3 sin theta is easily integrable and then plus 1. Now integrating we get half into 1 gives theta minus half sin theta minus plus 3 cos theta plus theta plus c. Now I have to go back to x. Half theta minus sin theta cos theta. Sin theta instead of cos theta I am writing root over of 1 minus sin square theta plus 3 root over of 1 minus sin square theta plus theta plus c. Now I am writing the answer here. Half instead of theta I can write sin inverse of x minus x root over of 1 minus x square bracket closed plus 3 root over of 1 minus x square plus sin inverse x plus c. You can make one more arrangement in this way. Sin inverse x plus half sin inverse x, that is 3 by 2 sin inverse x, then plus 3 minus x by 2 into root over of 1 minus x square plus. This will be the final answer. Three by 2 sin inverse x plus 3 towards this Next question. Number 4. Integration x square dx by under root 1 minus x. Not x square here. So here let us take 1 minus x equal to z square. This gives us minus dx equal to 2z dz. Dx is minus 2z dz. X square, x is 1 minus z square. So 1 minus z square whole square. Dx is minus 2z dz. Root over of this means z. Z cancel. So minus 2 integration we get z to the power 4 minus 2z square plus 1 dz. Then minus 2 z to the power 4 gives us 1 by 5 z to the power 5 minus 2 by 3 z cube plus z plus c. That is minus 2 by 5 z to the power 5. Z means 1 minus x to the power half. That is 1 minus x to the power 5 by 2. Then plus 4 by 3. 1 minus x to the power 3 by 2. Minus 2 z is 1 minus x to the power half plus c. This is one form of answer. You can do it in another way. This is one answer. This is okay. Next, let us do with another substitution. Let x equals sin square theta. here dx will be 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. This becomes sin to the power 4 theta, dx is 2 sin theta cos theta d theta, into power of 1 minus sin square theta, that means cos theta. Cos theta cancels, so you get 2 sin to the power 5 odd power, so 1 sin theta keep separate. Then sin to the power 4 can be written as sin square whole square, that is 1 minus cos square theta whole square, then sin theta d theta. d of cos theta is minus sin theta, so minus 2 integration cos to the power 4 theta minus 2 cos square theta plus 1 d of cos theta. Minus 2, this is 1 by 5 cos to the power 5 theta minus 2 by 3 cos theta plus cos theta plus c. Now we have to shift to x. The first method is easier than this. This is minus 2 by the cos to the power 5, that is cos square to the power 5 by 2. Cos square means 1 minus sin square theta to the power 5 by 2. Then plus 4 by 3 cos cube, cos square to the power 3 by 2, that is 1 minus sin square theta to the power 3 by 2. Then minus 2 cos theta is to the power of 1 minus sin square theta plus c. Now write this minus 2 by 5 1 minus x to the power 5 by 2 plus 4 by 3 1 minus x to the power 3 by 2 into the power of 1 minus x plus c. You can simplify it in this way. If you take minus 2 by 15 into power of 1 minus x from all these terms, you get minus 2 by 15, that is 3 here, into 1 minus x whole square minus, that is minus 10, 15 by 2 10 into 1 minus x, then plus 15 only, bracket closed plus c. You can write it as minus 2 by 15 1 minus x. Split this, you get 3x square minus 6x plus 3 minus 10 plus 10x plus 15 plus c. You get minus 2 by 15 1 minus x, 3x square 10x minus 6x, that is 4x minus 7 plus 8 plus c. 3x square 4x plus 8. Yes. Let us have a short break. After the break I am coming with more problems.